Hello YouTube. Well, look what's back. I drove the 1486 home yesterday. It's all done and back in service again. Just to recap, when I was plowing this spring, the splines on the pressure plate and the IPTO shaft, the shaft that powers the hydraulics and the PTO on this thing, the splines went bad. I lost all my hydraulics, I lost a PTO, and so the gentleman that I had work on this thing, the gentleman I had fix it for me, what he ended up doing in the last couple of weeks, he split the tractor, resurfaced the flywheel, new clutch and pressure plate and IPTO shaft installed, and it also needed a new bearing on the front where it goes into the transmission, and the new the retainer or bearing carrier that holds the bearing where it goes into the transmission. It needed a new one of those. And he also put a new seal kit in the dump valve and fixed a couple other oil leaks, and did that all for a price that I thought was very fair. So I'm glad to have the 1486 back in service again. I can't remember if I've mentioned this, but I've had this tractor here for 16 years, and this is the first time it's been out of service for an extended period of time, so I certainly can't complain. I'm going to go down and hook on to the bat wing because I haven't had this all summer. I've gotten behind on some of my mowing, so I'm going to hook on to the bat wing and do a bunch of mowing today. Tomorrow I've got some other equipment maintenance I need to do, so stay tuned for that. All right, this morning I've got my New Holland 316 baler backed up here by the shop. I have a small job I should probably do on this. It's not going to be a permanent fix. In order to fix this permanently, I need to clean it out, and I don't want to clean it out today because tomorrow I've got a custom baling job. So I'm just going to do something here that'll should get me by until tomorrow. Yeah, I did one other custom baling job this summer, and I kind of like it. You just pull in with the baler, make the bales, and as soon as the bale hits the ground, they're someone else's responsibility. So I kind of like that. But anyway, the problem is a little issue right down there, and I'll see if I can show you that. So I'm not sure how well this is going to show up on video, but of course I'm underneath the baler. This is the pickup. Right here is where the pickup swivels, and the issue I've got is this bracket that comes off the side of the baler at the swivel for the pickup, where that moves there. The welds in here are starting to crack, and this bracket will flex backwards, especially when like when I ride over a dead furrow or a bump, and it causes the pickup to have to work harder. Of course, the chain that drives the pickup is right there. There's the idler for it, and there's the sprocket. So when it gets into hard conditions like that, of course, this will flex back, the chain will loosen up, and the chain will come off. So what I need to do is take this all apart, push this back up, weld it, and put a big gusset on it. But I'm not going to do that today. Today I'm just going to make a simple brace that goes from here to here and keep the thing from flexing while I get my job done tomorrow. Okay, I whipped up a brace out of some scrap angle iron I had laying around. That ought to hold it steady enough that the chain shouldn't pop off tomorrow. So when I get the baler cleaned out and probably power washed, I can get in there and give that a permanent fix, but this should do for now.